Welcome to the series seminar video tutorials Germanische Heilkunde by Dr. Ryke Geerd, MD. My name is Helmut Pilhar. I am the father of Olivia, and Dr. Hamer's appointed lecturer on Germanische Heilkunde. This seminar video is about the sensible biological special programs of the uterus and prostate. The objective of these SBS is in the active phase. To achieve a functional enhancement through cell proliferation. The symptoms of the active phase, the conflict-resolved phase, the crisis, and the residual state at the end of the healing phase are explained. Through several case studies, the various associated conflict contents, the loss, ugly semi-genital, and so on, will be understandable. The objective is to be able to correctly interpret symptoms such as Fluor Vaginalis, intense menstrual bleeding, myoma, amenorrhea, altered pap, prostate carcinoma, and so on. You will learn more about this in the 1.5-hour seminar video tutorial.